in the bloody hell is that Stu-tu-tu sound my neighbor's obnoxious car makes?
Fasten your diapers, Stewie! That's turbo flutter, the sound of compressed air party crashing its own turbo. When you slam the throttle shut, trapped air panics and reverses like Lois after tequila, chopping through turbo blades like a drunk lumberjack. No blow-off valve here, just pure chaos.
So it's basically air throwing a tantrum?
Exactly. Compressor surge is like a toddler denied candy. Air slams back into the turbo going, nah-uh. This can stress the turbo over time. But some gearheads love the Stu-tu-tu, like rally drivers who enjoy danger and questionable life choices.
Can you stop it or just embrace the madness?
You can tame it with a blow-off valve. Think of it as a pressure relief therapist for your turbo. Or, like Brian's dating life, just let it ride and hope for the best. Either way, Stu-tu-tu is the turbo's way of saying, I'm alive, suckers!
Well, that's both terrifying and oddly satisfying. Good day, sir.